learners. Are you ready to talk about something everyone experiences?
That's right. Today, we're diving into the world of jobs.
Whether you're a teacher, a designer, or self-employed, we've got you covered.
We'll learn how to describe your job, daily routine, and even your dream job.
So grab a notebook and let's get started on enhancing your English skills right here at Sir English Channel. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Sir English Channel. I'm Max.
And I'm Sarah. It's great to be here with you all today.
Yes, it is. Today, we have a super interesting topic for our A1 English learners.
That's right. Today, we're going to talk about something everyone experiences, jobs.
We'll learn how to describe what you do, talk about your daily work, and even share your future plans.
It's going to be fun.
Before we start, please share this video with your friends if you like our episodes.
And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give us a big thumbs up. It really helps us.
Your support means the world to us. So, Sarah, are you ready to dive into the world of work?
Absolutely, Max. Let's get started.
Let's imagine someone asks you, "What do you do?" How do you answer?
The easiest way is to say your job title. For example, I'm a teacher.
Simple and clear. Or you can say, "I work as a designer."
So, Max, what is your job?
I'm an English teacher.
That's great. I'm a presenter for Sir English Channel, and I also work as a content creator.
Nice. Sometimes people also ask about the company.
Yes, you can say, I work for a marketing agency, or I'm self-employed.
Being self-employed means you are your own boss.
Now, let's talk about responsibilities. What do you do every day?
You can say things like, "I manage social media," or "I help customers every day."
For example, I can say, I prepare lessons and teach English.
You can also use useful phrases like, "I'm responsible for planning classes."
Or, my main task is to make learning English fun.
Another helpful phrase is, "A typical day at work looks like."
Yes. For example, a typical day at work looks like teaching 5 classes and grading homework.
Now let's talk about your daily routine.
You can start by saying what time you begin and finish work. For example, I start work at 9 a.m. and finish at 5 p.m.
Many people also talk about emails and meetings.
Right. You can say, every morning I check my emails and attend a short meeting.
Then you can explain your main tasks.
And don't forget breaks. For example, I usually have lunch with my colleagues.
A full example could be, "Every morning I check my emails. Then I work on my main tasks. In the afternoon, I have meetings and answer emails. I finish at 5 p.m.
Now let's talk about the work environment.
Do you work in an office, from home, or outdoors?
You can say, I work remotely, or I work in an office.
Some people have hybrid jobs. They work at home and in the office.
You can also talk about the atmosphere. Is it formal or informal?
A formal workplace has many rules. An informal workplace is relaxed.
You can also talk about coworkers. For example, my coworkers are friendly.
Or, "I work in a small team."
Now let's talk about job satisfaction. Do you like your job, Max?
Yes, I do. I like my job because I enjoy teaching.
You can say, I love my job because it's creative.
Or talk about what you like least. For example, "I don't like grading papers."
If you want a new job, you can say, I'm looking for a new opportunity.
Or, "My job can be stressful, but I like my team."
Let's talk about past jobs.
You can say, I used to work in a small company.
Or, before this, I was a student.
You can also talk about what you learned. For example, I learned customer service.
Now, let's talk about the future.
You can say, in the future, I want to manage my own business.
Or talk about skills. I want to improve my communication skills.
And finally, your dream job.
My dream job is to create content that inspires people.
My dream job is to travel and teach English around the world.
Now, let's learn how to ask others about their jobs.
The most common question is, what do you do?
You can also ask, do you like your job?
Or, how long have you worked there?
And a great question is, what is a typical day like for you?
Wow, Sarah, we talked about a lot today.
Yes, from jobs and routines to future dreams.
Remember, practice makes perfect.
Try to talk about your own job in English.
Before we go, don't forget to subscribe to Sir English channel.
Share this video and leave a comment. Tell us, what is your job or your dream job?
Thank you for joining us today.
See you in the next episode.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.